Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Volvo V90 and this is by Majorette and this is from their racing car series. So I bought this for I think 349. So I don't remember now exactly, but the MRP is 349. Either I bought it for MRP or below than that. At least 10-20 rupees below that. But definitely not more than that. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. It feels pretty heavy. Whenever I'm unboxing this racing or premium editions, I'm facing this difficulty just to open it. But I still like their presentation. Okay, let's keep the car here for a second. And there is this card with details. Let's take that out. Okay, got it. Let's throw this away. Okay, so here it is. It's the Volvo V90. I personally like these cards because this is giving a good amount of details here. And at some point, if you are passing it to your kids or someone else, I think they will really appreciate these things. I personally love Majorette for, putting out these things. Okay, let's keep this aside for a minute and let's look at the car. So the initial impressions of this car, it looks really great. The paint job looks really nice. It's just plain white with this blue striping with the Volvo V90 lettering on it. So the tail lights are painted. So this is pretty standard for a Majorette. So here there is a slight paint chipping, as you can see. I think it was kept in the box for very long, so might be. So here is the part I love about Majorette. They actually put some kind of fiber for headlights, and the logo placement is always it looks really nice. Racing Rascals logo here. Okay, so this one has openable doors. The interior detail looks really good. It's not amazing or anything. It looks really good. And the doors really snaps really nice. Okay, it has some scratches on the windshield, which I personally don't like. So you can see here. Okay, I think this one has suspension. Yeah, the suspension is really solid. It looks really awesome. So Majorette is able to do all these things for somewhere around 349 rupees. So I don't know why Mattel can able to do these things. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls really nice. Okay, there's a little wheel wobble specifically on the front wheels, as you can see. But it does rolls really nice. It is not it is not like a Matchbox car. This one rolls really nice. It's really good. So again, okay, the body is made of metal and the chassis is made of plastic. So I really like they actually included the rear view mirrors. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.